shifts really good. The transmission seems extremely tight. No warnings or faults. Brakes seem good. Steering feels good. Just gotta wait until I can cross the road here. Cross the road to get to the other side. Why am I doing it? Because that's where the truck lives. Been out in the sun too long. Sorry, I can't show you the shifting, but it is shifting good. Car here. Clutch seems good, feels good. Clutch brake works. So it goes forward and backward just fine. Steering's good. Like I said, this seems like a really nice truck. Seems tight going through the bumps. I don't hear a bunch of rattles.